Here's a look at the current temperatures and the radar. Rain for most of us throughout much of the day, as we thought would be the case. You can start to see that snow filling in, though, and temperatures dropping in places like Lewiston and Augusta, getting down to 39, 40 degrees. All part of this larger storm system that's impacting a whole chunk of the country, with winter weather and some severe weather down through Mississippi and Alabama. So what's going to happen tonight is that rain-snow line, or snow-rain line because of the orientation, I guess, is going to sink down towards the coast. On the other side of it, it'll be in the upper 30s and snowing moderately, if not heavily, probably big fat flakes. That would be my guess. I'll take a look at some web cameras. And that will continue through the first part of the night. Now, overnight tonight, middle of the night, we start to deal with some issues along the coastline in which the temperature profile looks like it could be freezing rain and some sleet. I have some concerns that freezing rain will take over early tomorrow morning. See these surface temperatures in the mid and low 20s? If you get freezing rain, that is a bad temperature to have the surface. It's very easy to accrete ice at that temperature. Farther inland, though, it's snow, moderate to heavy snow through the morning commute. So I think no matter where you're looking, this is either snow, sleet or freezing rain along the coast and snow inland. It is not a nice commute at all. This continues through the afternoon, sleet and freezing rain, and then snow farther inland, and then moves out late afternoon into the early evening, and things settle down. Although I will caution you that you'll have to chip away any ice or sleet because it will not melt on its own. It's going to be quite cold tomorrow night and then into the day on Saturday. So 8 to 12 inches, some good snow. Mountains are going to love this storm because the last storm, as my friends out there said, we got 8 inches of snow and a foot of wind. Well, the wind will not be a factor this time for the mountains, so they'll get some good snow. I noticed I cheated this 2 to 4 right to the immediate coastline. It's hard to get 4 inches of sleet, and you do not want to see what that looks like. So I think we're more likely to keep totals low right along the coastline where it's sleet and freezing rain. But again, let's not sleep on that freezing rain because ice accretion amounts here, although they might be a little bit high on the models, I do believe that we're right on the edge of the difference between significant freezing rain and just hearing sleet pinging throughout the night. So we'll keep an eye on that. Cold again on Saturday and Sunday. So again, anything that falls, you will have to deal with personally. Gets warmer on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. A couple storms around should miss us, though. That's how it looks right now. And temperatures between 35 and 40. A much milder week overall, guys, after closing out a little bit of a cool January.
Both feel nice.
That high temperature on Sunday seems like it's getting colder and colder.
Yeah, no, it's not going well. I think I had 20 yesterday, and you probably noticed the difference between 18 and 20. But yeah, either way, it's going to be quite chilly there Sunday.
So playing in the snow with the kiddo is going to be short-lived.
Later in the day is better.
Okay. All right, that works. Thanks, Keith.